Hi, Sarah Garland from Fine & Country, and today we're on Vicarage Road in North Leamington Spa. This is an imposing and much sought after 6-bedroom Edwardian semi-detached family home. The property benefits from a large mature plot with beautiful gardens and rear gated access, providing parking for several cars or potential to build a garage or annex. So come with me, let's take a look inside. You join me at the end of the tour in the rear parking area, which has incredible space for multiple uses. If you'd like any further information or to book a viewing, please do contact me on the details that follow.